peach, blueberry and walnut banana bread. To start, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease a 10 cm by 24 cm loaf pan. Line the base and sides with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang. Now add the flour, baking powder and sugar to a large bowl and stir until combined, breaking up the sugar. Next, mash the bananas with a fork. Place in a large jug. Add lightly whisked eggs, oil and buttermilk and whisk until well combined. Add to the flour and stir to combine. Stir in the chopped peach, blueberries and walnuts. Pour into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Top with sliced peaches and sprinkle with extra sugar. Pop in the oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Remove from the oven and set aside in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool. Meanwhile, make the peach icing. Place chopped peaches and lemon juice in a saucepan over medium heat. Cover and cook, stirring occasionally for 5 minutes or until the peach is tender. Remove from the heat and cool slightly. Transfer to a small food processor and blend until smooth, then strain through a fine sieve into a small bowl. Discard any solids. Stir in the icing sugar and tint with a little pink food colouring. To finish, drizzle the banana bread with the icing. Take your banana bread to the next level with pops of peach, blueberries and walnuts.